guys, as you see, we are now in ECD. We just went there to do some site visit. So guys, and it is raining. So guys, we have decided to wait until the rain ends so that we can carry on with our work. So as you see, it is so rainy. It's raining heavily.
Yeah.